Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know at what time are you watching this video. So I just decided to record this video for you to get familiar with the activities that you have to develop in order for you to get the score for this laboratory practice. This is our fifth class, and I just decided to record this video because I have a meeting and I'll not be able to uh, be on time to have this synchronous class. So just to let you know, okay? I have first this quote, and this quote says that success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as successful. So that means, guys, if you want to be a successful person, you just have to be thinking that you're good enough. Sometimes we say that you're bad, you're not great at your classes or something like that, but you have to change your mind. You have to think about yourself that you are great, even though sometimes we're not good, even though sometimes we're just failing down. But you have to stand up. You have to try to get again. You have to think what you want, think about your goals, think about your uh, sometimes we're just saying, okay, why am I living? But you have to uh, keep your thought thinking in one specific purpose. Your purpose have to be achieved, and you have to be working on those purposes. You have to be working on those goals. Your mind have to be all the time thinking positive, even though it is difficult. But you have to be thinking of yourself as a successful person. That's the quote for this morning. Okay, guys. Um, the first thing that I want you to do is this one. For today's class, you have to try to do this TOEFL sample test 1, in which you are going to be practicing all these skills. So if you click here, let me do it for you. If you click here, you are going to be in this page. When in this page, you are going to click in start. This is going to be the evaluated activity for today's class, so please pay attention. So you click in start test, then start test without account, and then you are going to be in here. Here you have the instructions. This test measures your ability to use English in an academic context, and there are four sections. This test is going to be just around an hour, so you have an hour to do this test. You can do it just once, or you can do it twice if you want. It is not necessary. Okay, guys. When you read all of these instructions, the reading section, the listening section, the speaking section, and the writing section, which is just 2 questions, and here just 6 questions. It is not too long for this part. You click in here in this button, which is continue. Then it is going to explain. I'm moving just this square because for recording this video, just using this app in which I have to make this. Okay, and here we have the instruction for the reading section. So you read the directions, and then when you are clear, what you are going to do is clicking here in next. Then you have the options here where, well, actually you have the text here, and then the options are going to appear in your left part. Then when you are done, you read the whole text, you click in next, and then you have the questions, the options in your left, and in your left part you have the question and the answers, and in the right part you have the passage again, so you can read it again. Then you click in the option that you consider is the correct, and again the bottoms are on the top of the screen, next, and so on. So you're going to have the timer here, because it is with time, it is like similar to the TOEFL. It is not a TOEFL, but it is kind of similar because they're measuring your time. So guys, you have to do this, then take a screenshot and upload it on Google Classroom as always. So this is the short video, just explaining what you have to do. If you have any comment, any doubt, or any inconvenience, just let me know. You can text me on WhatsApp, my uh, email, or you can do it on Google Classroom as you want. It is okay. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you can develop this activity, and I hope this TOEFL practice will be really useful for you. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and see you next weekend.